Well, we're back to the Durfee clock, the one that is Tiffany and Company. So see here, we've been showing you along the way what we've been working on with this clock. So this is the Tiffany and Company New York clock with the brass face, and you can see that we have all of these pieces tied down now because we have just installed the mechanism. So here's the next stage. We've gotten the finish done, which we showed you previously. We've gotten the mechanism rebuilt and the ultrasonic cleaning completed. And now it's been installed and we have it strapped down in order for transport. Now this is a very fragile clock. You can see that the hood is off for now because we're about to transport it again. So we transport the hood separately from the clock as we're going to be delivering this out to Western North Carolina. So you can see just a beautiful result for the finish. And now you can see that the face and the technical does not look brand new. It looks like it has aged. You know, it is the process of age is showing, telling the story. And then over here we have our weights, and here are the 7-foot tall, 8-foot tall chimes. So this weight here is about 70 pounds, and so those will be also transported separately. And we'll be putting this guy together at the customer's home. So we look forward to him and seeing what's happening for the final result, and then getting it leveled, getting it set up, hanging the weights, and then we all gonna hold hands and believe it's gonna run properly. Because this is what, 1885, 1890? And you know, there's a lot of work goes involved into trying to get this back to where it's running properly in the right position, in a climate-controlled situation, so that it can last another 150 years. So thanks for watching.